Halo Makanku lovers. Let's unboxing the Makanku Signature Series. First, remove the plastic cover. Then, open the package. Open the box and take out all the thing inside. You will find heating pad, spoon, and chili sauce. Next step, use the spoon edge to open rice plastic cover. Do the same thing to the dish. After that, pour some water into the box up to given limit. Tear the heating pad cover. Then, put the heating pad into the water. Put the rice and dish on top of the box. Proceed to close the meal box tightly. Put the chili sauce on top of the box cover. Don't cover up the air circulation pit. Leave it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the box cover. Tear the chili sauce package and put on the rice. Here you go, the meal ready to serve.